Today we're adding a new security camera to the backyard so I can see our blind spot. There's no outlets here, and I needed a security camera that'll keep charged on its own. So I got this camera that has a solar panel built in. Now I can keep an eye on the outside chicken coop and make sure no intruders are getting in. And this solar security camera comes shipped to your door, ready to secure your house as well. Inside the box, you have a quick start guide, hardware, a mounting template, a 24/7 monitoring sticker, a USB-C charging cable, and then your security camera. It has a solar panel directly on top, mounting holes on the back. And on the bottom, there's a waterproof plug you can flip out to find the power button, charge port, reset button, and micro SD card slot. To get started, plug in your camera to give it its first time charge. Then after it's fully charged, the sun can handle the rest. Next, remove the mounting plate from the back of the camera and screw that down where you'd like to mount it. Then you can power on your camera.
Hello.
And after that's booted up, screw the mount back onto the camera to hold it in place. Next, open up the app, set up your account, and then click Add Device. And then the camera begins pairing to your phone. Wait until it successfully pairs, and it walks you through first time use. Then you can enter your camera view and make any adjustments you need. And like that, you're good to go. Me? I need to move it to an area with more sunlight, but for now, we're ready to test. The wide-angle lens covers a decent area, and I can see a lot. You can even zoom in on the image to get a better look at your surroundings. Then you can click the microphone to talk through the camera.
Testing. Hello.
You can even click the disguise button to put a filter on your voice and make it sound more ominous. But you can also click on the pre-made responses and let the camera speak for you.
Please put the package at the door. Thank you.
You also have the option to sound an alarm or turn on the spotlight. It does have night vision, but when you turn on the light, it really brightens up the area and we can see the whole yard. Another cool feature is that it has smart AI alerts that you can set up. You can turn on human detection and begin recording when a person appears. You can set up intrusion alerts and be notified whenever someone enters a certain area of the yard. You can even enable an alarm. There's vehicle detection, a parking guard, intrusion prevention, which notifies you if someone crosses your fence. There's lawn surveillance, and even pet detection. And the phone updates are quick and pretty accurate. I'll be honest, I'm impressed. Not to mention, the camera quality is good, and I love that it records in 4K. This means I can record clips and scale them up without quality loss. I used it for a bit to keep an eye on our dogs, as well as our chickens, and it did a really good job. It connected quickly and allowed me to record some clips of what's happening. But I ended up moving it inside of the chicken coop where it can get more sun and keep charged. It has a nice wide coverage and allows me to see most of the coop, as well as the sides, to make sure nothing is getting in. But my favorite thing about this camera is how well it does in the dark. The night vision allows you to see everything, and the spotlight allows you to see the area in full color. Not to mention, it'd be a nice deterrent. Just look at how much it lights up the coop out here. It makes quite the difference. Overall, I'm really happy with this camera and have no complaints. So if you're looking to upgrade your security and cover your area as well, this solar security camera might just be for you. But that's it for me today. Till next time, I'm off to go watch my chickens through the security camera. See ya.